Side lying arm circles. You lie with your hips and knees bent at 90 degrees to stabilize your lower body. You can stack your hands on top of each other. Take a deep breath in, and you're gonna bring your arm up overhead, and your eyes have to follow your hand. Good. And let your exhale on that exertion. Come back in. Good. And take a deep breath in. And let it out. Good. And repeat that. Come back in. Eyes have to stay on the hand so that you integrate that normal motion. Take a deep belly breath in. Let the hand rest for a moment on top of the other hand. Let it come down all the way. Take a deep breath in. Now let it slide up. Good. And if you do this on the floor, you could try to reach the floor as you exhale, making that half circle. Stay strong and be well. Thank you for choosing Brill Physical Therapy.